Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp from my YouTube channel, asked me to make payment for their order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it and show you how to make payment to your order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Just like what you see right here, these are the products we are going to use as an example on how to make payment on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. You can see the screenshot of all the products right here from the top, and then these are all the screenshots of the product, and likewise the product link alongside the product picture right here on my WhatsApp. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and exit from my WhatsApp right here. Then I will go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to open up my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Then after open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. I'm going to click on here now. So I'm getting to my profile. I'm going to proceed to all my products in cart right here. So I've already added all the products to cart. So I'm going to open up my cart right here. So these are all the products, just like how you see everything on my WhatsApp right here, about four different stores. So the first one here, second one here, third one here, and likewise the fourth one down below right here. So from different stores. For me to buy and make payment for all these products, I'm going to select them one after the other. Then I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. And from the checkout right here, scroll down and preview everything. Once you're satisfied with everything, I'm paying the sum of 589.4 yuan to purchase all these goods from different stores. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payment. Then allow my Alipay to connect because I'm making payment with my Alipay. Lastly, I will go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. So go ahead and enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Just like what you see right here, you can see a debit alert from my Alipay account, and you can see payment success right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on done right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. And I'll click on here to go back. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products we paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. First one here, all the shoes, and then the second one right here, the clothes and the shorts right here. Lastly, I will exit from my Pinduoduo right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payment for them on Pinduoduo right here in my WhatsApp. I'm going to click on here, click on gallery, select proof of payment, and say payment done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.